Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove water from your iPhone speakers. So it's going to be a really cool shortcut, similar to how the Apple Watch ejects water. So if you guys are aware how the Apple Watch works, you basically press a button on the Apple Watch and there's some vibration in the phone that shoots out the water out of any holes that you have in your iPhone or in your Apple Watch in that case. But there is a very similar way to do it on the iPhone with a shortcut. So first things first, you just want to go over to your settings and ensure that you have the allow untrusted shortcuts turned on. To see that, you just want to scroll all the way down and go to where it says shortcuts. Once you find shortcuts, you'll see right here it says allow untrusted shortcuts. You just want to make sure that's enabled or you won't be able to add this shortcut. Once you have that done, you can go ahead into the description or in the comment section down below, and I'll have a link there for you guys to add the shortcuts. It'll just look like this right here. Once you're on this website, all you want to do is click on Get Shortcut, and then it'll bring us over to the shortcut application. So we'll just wait here for it to load up. Once it's loaded up, you guys can scroll through here and read this if you want. It's just all of the script for this specific shortcut. Feel free to read it, but I'm just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and add this shortcut just by clicking on Add Untrusted Shortcut right here. Once that is done, you guys can go ahead and test this out by putting some water near your iPhone or just dropping it into a sink, especially if it is one of the newer ones, as it is fairly waterproof, nothing will happen to it. But once you guys do that, all you have to do is come over to the Shortcuts application and make sure you're on the My Shortcuts tab, and you can go ahead and click on Water Eject right here. And all you want to do here is just click on Begin Water Injection, or ejection at least, and then you'll notice it will then shoot out the water out of your phones. Of course, if you guys want to add this to your home screen as well, you can click on the three dots and then click on the share button and add to home screen, so you guys don't have to come into the application if you would like to, if this is something that you guys will use often. Anyhow, I really hope this video helped you guys out with showing you guys how to eject water from your iPhones. This video does help you out. Be sure to leave a like on this video and consider subscribing for more, as I have lots of videos similar to this on my channel. Thanks for watching.